introduce yourself, please.
Hello, I'm Carole, co-founder of Colette, which is an eSIM travel app.
Okay. Could you explain me what is your activities and what's your offers?
So the objective is to offer connectivity to all travelers all around the world with affordable prices, and the objective is to avoid roaming fees.
Okay. What are you attend for this event?
The main objective is to bring more information about Colette, to do some interesting connection, because we are specialized in B2B2C partnerships. That means that we work with airline, OTAs all around the world, and usually we give 1 gigabyte for free for all travelers in order just to test the solution and sometimes to remove some psychological barriers, because today everyone can use Colette. It's very convenient. Everyone needs connectivity. It's very easy to use. We have some tutorials to have people to set up the eSIM, and then you can easily use all your app and use internet very easily wherever you are.
Okay. In France, we are very concerned by this problem of. So it concerns many countries, or I don't know.
Every country is all around the world, because each time you leave your country, you will have some important roaming fees from your local operator. So that's why it starts at $3.99 for Colette for 1 gig. So it's very affordable, and it's better than having that bill shock when you land. So I already recommend to install it before the flight, and when you land, it's super easy, and so yes, everyone needs it for all countries all over the world.
Okay.